Today we are celebrating autism with our 5th annual Holding Hands Around the Lake for Autism. What we'll do today is have all the youngsters and the staff, some community supporters, our affiliates, Woods Services and Allies are coming out to enjoy the day with us, and they gave us a really beautiful day today. We'll hold hands around the lake. We have some special events. The youngsters are going to read autistic facts about autism. We have a new color guard, which you can probably see in one of your pictures here, and they're going to perform for us. And then we have one of our little guys, Jeremy, who's going to do a special song. And we're going to end with holding hands, and then we have autistic items for sale, baked goods. Everybody gets pretzels and water, and they can take a walk around our beautiful lake, enjoy the day, as well as celebrate autism. All this is being done to promote Autism Awareness Month.
Jeremy!